So today's tip of the day is focus on the big picture and then look at the short term for execution. Now, what I mean by that is whenever you look at a trade or a stock that you want to look at, first look at the big picture. Now, this is only if you're a long-term trader. And when I mean long-term is, so say if you want to buy today and sell maybe in a couple weeks, a couple months, that's my definition of long-term. And you could also keep it for maybe a year if that's the trend that is heading in. But focus on the big picture. And what I mean by that is first look at the monthly chart and see how the monthly chart is progressing. Is the monthly chart heading high? If the monthly chart is heading high, then look at the weekly charts. And is that also showing you or confirming an upward trend in the market? Is it a good time to buy? Is this the right time to buy? Is it over evaluated or is it under evaluated? What exactly is the market doing? How close or far is it from the moving averages? And once you've kind of like narrowed down like the big picture on the weekly and the monthly charts, then look at fine-tuning the execution. So you're trying to like pinpoint exactly where you want to buy and when you want to like, get into the trade. So that's where you could then involve your daily charts into the picture. You could even go down to the 4 hours, though I don't recommend anything lower than that time frame, but that's where you can precision time your entries. But to get a better big picture is always the monthlies and the weeklies. Also look at the indexes and see, is it close to any resistance or support lines? Because that's also going to help you in making a better decision on your particular stocks, because they all are hand in mouth. The indexes and the stocks, all follow each other. So it's never that an index is going down and your stock's just rising to the moon. There could be one or two, but your portfolio would be sinking. So I hope that was useful. It's just like, always focus on the big picture to really get better perspective and have good profitable gains. So I hope this was useful and stay tuned for another video coming.